Here you go, Cole. Hey, Brittany climbing up there. You got this. She got her climbing pants on. Yes, you can. Just take your time. Don't hurt yourself. Get your foot up in that crack up there.
Wait. I'm coming down.
Take your time. Don't fall.
Brian?
Get your foot up in that crack.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't. Brian? You got me?
Yep.
If I come down?
Yep.
Okay.
Got her.
Good job.
Got her.
Oh.
Cut. We gotta get it on.
Do you hit the red button?
Yeah, the red button.